Hey guys, Manny Aragon of the Rolf Workshop Center for Structural Performance, and I've got another fun case to talk about with you. This particular one was a young client, maybe late 20s, with a very lateral scoliosis. So it's a very fit client, and in the lateral scoliosis is a curvature of the spine, but in this case it was more of a lateral scoliosis than you didn't see, when you look at the back of this person, you didn't see a hump on the back per se. That would have been more of a rotational scoliosis. This person has some rotation, but what you would notice more is that they're centered more over their left hip. So it would look something like this. I'll try and exaggerate. It would look like this. Basically, this left hip was up. See how this is high, and they were in this direction. Okay, and they came in complaining of a lot of pain and compression in the mid back. So, as you all know, I naturally did the 10-session series of structural integration, and the pain greatly diminished over the series. We've now completed 8 sessions. And at the end of the last session, something remarkable occurred. I can't say this happens with every client, but this particular client was, the scoliosis had attenuated so much that they were almost perfectly centered. So I'll show you the difference. Remember, this is the exaggerated posture. High right hip, body weight over really this left leg. And this is a more centered posture. So this is more what they look like now. And in photographs, which I can't show due to privacy concerns, sadly, but you know, for the client, we've got to protect the client, that there was a lot more symmetricality. Now, it's not completely gone. It's there still. But this client was amazed to see the photos and how much they had changed. Now, they acknowledged that a few sessions ago, most of the pain had diminished. So by session 5, 6 perhaps, most of the pain had diminished. But now we've got a couple more in a series. Where can we go from there? So structural integration is not just about correction, but it's also about potential. Where can we go for this person now that they were really looking for pain relief, and now they may have control over their actual control over their scoliosis itself. So anyhow, hopefully that's helpful to you. Manny Aragon, Rolf Workshop Center for Structural Performance. All the best.